In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Wyoming State. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to confirm your payment so nothing gets missed. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Wyoming Judicial Branch Payments page at wyocourts.gov/payments. This is the trusted starting point for traffic citation payments handled by the state courts. From here, you'll be directed to CitePay USA, the online system Wyoming uses to process payments securely. Keep your ticket nearby and make sure you're on a private, secure internet connection before you continue. Before you try to pay, confirm that your ticket is eligible for online payment. You can use the online system if your citation is filed in a circuit court and it does not require you to appear in court. If your ticket clearly says must appear in court, you won't be able to pay it online, and you should follow the appearance instructions printed on the citation. Also note that some municipal or city courts use separate payment systems, so check which court is listed on your ticket to ensure you're in the right place. Next, look up your ticket in CitePay. The fastest way is to enter your citation or case number exactly as it appears on your ticket. If you don't have those numbers handy, many courts let you search using personal details such as your name and date of birth. If your ticket doesn't show up right away, don't panic. New citations can take a few days to appear in the online system. When your case appears, carefully review the details, confirm the violation type, the fine amount, and the payment deadline. Compare what you see on screen with your paper ticket to make sure everything matches. If anything looks incorrect, pause before paying and double check the numbers on your citation. If everything looks good, proceed to payment. Select the correct case, then enter your credit or debit card information exactly as it appears on the card. Review the total and note that a small convenience fee may be added for online processing. Submit your payments through the secure checkout and give the page a moment to finish processing so you receive your confirmation. Finally, save your proof of payment. Download or screenshot the receipt immediately and store it somewhere safe. If an email receipt is available, have it sent to an address you can access and keep it for your records. That confirmation is your proof that the fine has been paid, and that's it. Start at the Wyoming Judicial Branch Payments page, confirm eligibility, find your ticket, review carefully, pay securely, and save your receipt.